In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show hidden channels on Discord using Better Discord. Before we get started, I need to be clear about something important. Tools that claim to reveal hidden channels work by bypassing server permissions, and that goes against Discord's terms of service. Using third-party client modifications can also put your account and your data at risk. Because of that, I won't be demonstrating or linking to any plugins or mods that attempt to expose channels you can't normally see. Here's what's actually happening when you notice hidden channels. Discord servers use roles and permissions to decide who can view each channel. If you don't have the right role, that channel simply won't appear in your sidebar, or you may only see its name without the ability to read messages. That's by design. There isn't a legitimate built-in method to view channels you don't have access to, and there's no safe shortcut that changes that. If you believe you should have access, the right approach is to ask a moderator or server admin. Be specific about why you need the role and make sure you followed any posted rules or verification steps. Many servers have a dedicated channel explaining how to request roles, complete onboarding, or unlock areas by reacting to messages. Taking those steps keeps your account safe and respects the community's guidelines. You can also make your experience smoother by organizing what you already can access. Mute channels or entire categories you don't use, then enable hide muted channels from the server menu to tidy your sidebar. Use the quick switcher with Ctrl or CMD+K to jump directly to channels by name, and use the search bar to find messages, files, or mentions you're allowed to view. These built-in tools help you navigate faster without relying on unsupported mods. A quick word on safety. Third-party modifications can break with updates, expose your token, or trigger account restrictions. Even if a plugin looks popular, there's no guarantee it's secure or compliant. Sticking to the official Discord client and features is the best way to protect your privacy and your communities. If you help manage a server, consider making a channel directory or start here post listing categories, what they're for, and how members can request access. When people understand the structure and the process, there's far less confusion about what's hidden and why. Thanks for watching. Keep your account safe, respect server permissions, and use Discord's built-in tools to stay organized and informed.